This is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm going to show you a very quick video on how you can get the current month of the current date. So as you can see here, the current time of recording this is June, and we're going to use the month function. Here's the Microsoft documentation. I'll put a link of this documentation into the description, but basically very easy. I'm just going to insert a label here. Let me just make this bigger so we can see. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to do the month function. So month, open bracket, and then I'm just going to do the today function. So that calls today's date. Once I close that parentheses, there you can see it's pulled the 6 back, so it's pulled June back. And that's how you get the current month. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and take care. Thank you.